Ororus, Electronics e-commerce Bootstrap 4 template is a splendid e-commerce website template. It has a clean and elegant design for the online store selling accessories, electronic products, gadgets, smartphone and tablet, sports, home appliances and many others. Assuredly, this cross-browser optimized template is fully responsive and it has been tested with multiple devices. The home pages are designed eye-catching with large slideshow above and below mega menu. Slideshow is great with smooth transitions of texts and nice images. Finally, try Ororus, Electronics e-commerce Bootstrap 4 template now and get free updates. Main features: 4 homepage beautiful and unique design HTML5 and CSS3 validate markup smooth animations fully responsive cross-browser compatibility tested with multiple device Bootstrap 4 SEO friendly coded testimonial stylus op style blog styliquery latest version.